y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Madeenasiaa. Once again, my air conditioner is on because it is hot outside, so y'all just gonna have to hear it, deal with it. I don't care because it is hot. Now I'm jumping straight into this. My nail tips already on. I recorded it, but I took it out because at that moment in time I had just finished drinking my second cup of coffee and I hadn't ate, so I was shaking really bad and had to put my tips on like 3 or 4 times each. So I just cut all of that out. So yeah, as you can see, I did show the nail set that I will be recreating, and it's the set from Nails by Key. Oh my god, I found her channel like 3 weeks ago, and I've been in love, like just watching her videos nonstop. And when I say like she killed this fucking set, that I wanted to recreate it, so I did, and I love my fucking set. Like her set was already top notch, but that one glitter nail with the color crystals, with the rainbow crystals, chef's fucking kiss. Okay, so yeah, I'm using my Acyrlic acrylics, one of my C-tones acrylics, and Model 1s. The blue is Model 1s, the big yellow one is C-tones, and the rest of them are Acyrlic. And I'm gonna just go ahead and throw that bitch on there, just any old kind of way, because that's how you kind of want it to look to get the design. You don't want it to be too perfect, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, put that on there. And yeah, I know it's a little long because I was out of frame for a lot of it, so I just put it in there. All 3 nails, all 4 nails actually, I did. So yeah. So I am using that double dip, what is it called, dipping powder, whatever the fuck it's called. I'm using that again as an acrylic, of course, and like I said, it glows in the dark. This is the one where I found out it glowed in the dark, glue in the dark, whatever. This is the video where I found out that it did glow. So I will be showing that at the end because it's really cute. I did end up putting, like how she did, little glitter pieces scattered across the colorful nails, but I was out of frame for that, so y'all didn't see that. Y'all did not see that. Yeah, look at that application though. Like, to be a beginner, top fucking notch. I am clear capping it now because I don't want to file my nails and my design is gone. So yeah, that's why you clear cap it so your design isn't gone. So, and to add like the structure to it, the apex, all that good stuff. Yeah, yeah, I be knowing what I'm talking about just a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, yeah, get into it. Honestly, for this set, I didn't have to do too much shaping and filing because like it was there already. I don't know what I did. Maybe my application was just top notch that day, so I didn't have to do too much. I didn't have to do too much. So I'm gonna just go ahead and shape it up the little bit that I need to. Seal the cuticles, file it down, buff it up, that all that good stuff. I mean, you know, you know. This what they looking like, all foul shaped, buffed. Yeah, with my ashy ass hands. It was from the dust. And then I'm doing the little swipe with the brush, getting the extra dust off. And now I'm putting my shiny top coat on because I want them colors to fucking pop. Like, I was thinking of doing matte, but shiny was the way to go. Still haven't found my jewelry gel, so I'm using the goddamn top coat to seal the crystals on. And when I say them fucking rainbow crystals with them itty bitty AB crystals, I think is what they call, top fucking notch. Like, I was gonna do it exactly, not exactly like hers, but somewhat like hers. But that one glitter nail, glow in the fucking dark, bitch. Oh my god. And yeah, I was being lazy. I just smacked it all across my knuckles, and I'm gonna rub that with the lotion in and call it a fucking day. And that's what it's looking like, y'all. If you like this set, like, comment, subscribe, give me tips and tricks. Tell me what else you want to see, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.